Shemai and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to meet some girls and we are going to take a trip up to the New Inn bike night. Should be good. It's a little bit chilly out there, but it's not too bad, at least it's dry. It'll be nice to see and catch up with everybody. So I'll see you there.
So, it's nice to get out of the house after doing my housework all day. And, well, actually, I wasn't doing housework all day. This morning, I was sorting out my new bike that I'm going to get. So, I test rode an MT10 yesterday. It was absolutely fantastic. I loved it. I never thought I'd actually ever consider getting rid of this Gixxer. I mean, I absolutely love this bike, but the MT10 was so much more solid I would say, and lots of torque, and so bloody fast. But it was also comfortable. And when I was riding around and taking my time, I just thought, well, you know, I can actually look around at the scenery a bit more sat upright. It made a lot of difference. So yep, so this morning I spent the best part of a couple of hours negotiating with two different Yamaha dealers to get the best price, and so I finally got the best price from JT's in Swansea, and they have got my bike on order, and I pick it up a week on Friday. So I am so flipping excited. It is unbelievable. I never thought I'd be trading this bike in, because to begin with, I was going to get a BMW F900. Just purely so I could tour on it and comfortable to go to work and back, and then keep the Gixxer as well. But after riding the MT10 yesterday, I found that, well, I thought I probably wouldn't actually ride the Gixxer. I'd probably do it for a couple of times just to see how it is. But I got on the Gixxer after the ride, and it felt obviously quite small and compact, and I still loved it, but not as much as the MT10. So that definitely made my decision to actually Part X this, and go for the MT10. There was another option. I could have I did consider keeping this for a track bike, but I think she's too pretty for it to be a track bike. I don't know, I think it would be a shame to put it on the track and then ruin it. So I think hopefully somebody else will buy her and have so much fun on her as much as I have and go back to her. After all, she's an awesome bike. Yeah, I'm pretty damn excited. I am going to be chomping at the bit for the whole week now, waiting for Friday. So yeah, I don't know where the time's gone this afternoon, because, well, I do. I was messing around with the camera as usual, couldn't work it out because I am still so crap with technology with these cameras. I took a load of footage yesterday and I'm still working on trying to get the video sorted, because the footage that I did take, I had the camera pointing down, so I'm searching through for some decent footage to actually post on my YouTube channel. So bear with me if it's not that good. So yeah, hopefully I can only improve, I haven't got a clue how to get to the new inn. I remember going there once and I was following people. I think the blind have been leading the blind, to be honest. So yeah. So we're going to meet some girls at Cairn Castle, just outside, and then we're going to ride to Canuck to meet Julie and her other half, and then on from there up to the new inn. I wonder if this fuel station is open. No, bloody closed. Unbelievable. People still have to work, don't they? So, you know, it's 6:25 in the evening. People are coming home from work. And they probably need to get fuel. Never mind. Just got to try and think that there's another one on the way now. So I've got my fuel, and I've messaged everyone, so hopefully they'd have seen the message. The funny thing is, bike night is 6 till 9 and we probably won't even get there till about 8:30. And then it'll be finishing, but it's worth it, worth a little spin. The joys of being on a bike, eh? Overtake everything. Come up to Carew now, see where they are. Might be parked on the side of the road. Here we go, yeah, here we are. Hiya, sorry. Oh, I'll turn it off a minute. So, met up with the girls, we're now on our way. These roads are lovely and dry today. Awesome. We've got to meet Julie and Pete. These roads are awesome. So lucky to live in Wales, I have to say. Get to experience all this. This is the first time in ages that us girls have met up. And there's quite a lot of us on our group, but obviously not everybody can make it every single time we meet, so generally there's usually about probably the maximum we've had out on a ride with the girls was 10, I think. Yeah, so pretty good group though, nice lot of girls, all met up through this group. And I'm sure there'll be many more to join. Yeah, it's just all about riding, yeah? You know, riding, having fun, no bitchiness. As us women can be bitchy. But yeah, we're a good little group. Hopefully, be more times for stay there, Mr. Van. Yep. Hopefully we get lots more spins this year because we've literally been lacking, haven't we? With this bloody lockdown crap. So yeah. Oh, just think, when I get my empty tent, I'll be able to sit upright and have a look at the view properly and show you everything. Overtake this van in a minute. Car, I should say. Oh, I need to do it now. Yes. Right. Slow down a little bit for the girls to match. Look at that absolutely gorgeous view. Woohoo! Look at that. There they are. That's good. A lot of shit on this road today. Hello? You okay? Ah. You alright? You weren't waiting long, were you? Was you waiting long? That's what she said. So we're just going to come back to cards again in a little while. I have no idea how far it is from here. I only take card at the pub. Oh, we want to get rid of it past this friggin' lorry. Oh, oh. Is he letting us go? Looks like we're all together. I don't think we've lost anyone, have we? Missing one, I think. No, two. And the sun is out. Yeah. Ah. Oh, I sort of vaguely remember how to get here. Look at the shit coming out of that van. It's really what you want to be behind, isn't it? Junction. Never overtake on a junction. Well, I hope it don't bloody rain. Apparently it's been raining up this way, but nice and dry at the moment. Let's go! Woohoo!
Right, this is the nutty women from Women Up and Ride. One arm bandit over there. Oh dear. Go and say hello to all the guys up here. Say hello to the camera, everyone. Man Up and Ride. Hey.
Is it on now?
It is on. Yeah, see? The last lot I took didn't take.
Well, that was lovely to see everyone. Lovely to see Ross. Ross had an accident a little while back, riding his bike here now. And unfortunately he lost his foot, but it could have been so much worse. He could have lost his life, and you know, thankfully he's still alive, and his family have still got him for hopefully more years to come. But you know what, we all know the risks of riding, and yeah, we still do it. And we still do it because it's a buzz that we get, you know. It's that freedom. So yeah, sun's going down now, it's getting a little bit chilly. So that was a lovely little spin. Nice and quick. I'm sure I saw blue ones up there. Oh, it'd be nice to get in now. She'll die. Fantastic evening. Nice old ride out. Nice to catch up with people. And now I'm back home. I think I'm gonna have a nice hot chocolate. That's what I'm gonna do. Nice hot chocolate.